Today I'm gonna be making tater thoughts with Idaho potatoes. Beautiful Idaho Russet Potato.
2 hours later.
How you doing over there?
It's going. I'm gonna have one big ass arm. I'm done. There you go, just like this. This is gonna go straight into the pot of fat. Duck fat. You could do butter, pork fat, bacon fat, any kind of fat. Your mom's fat, anything. Cool.
Can't say that. You don't have to wait for it to get hot?
No, I'm gonna just lightly cook this. So, you do not want to bring your fat up to a high temp. We're gonna lightly cook these potatoes while stirring them. Just for about 5 to 10 minutes at a low heat, around 250 degrees, 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So what's happening is all that starch from the potatoes is being released and it's gonna bind those potatoes together. So that's what's gonna glue it together to make a little tater tot. You can reserve this fat for whatever you want. I mean, it's potato duck fat, it's delicious. Tray like this, any tray really, or any container. Get a container, set that down, put some plastic on that. Potatoes in that. Cover with more plastic. I did way too much, but that's because I want to have a lot.
So you have to share with me now?
Yes. It's going?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I overstuffed it. It's fine though. You don't have to stuff it like this, but you put another tray right on top with something heavy on it, and then toss it. And then just toss this into the fridge overnight. Okay, so the very next day, potatoes should be nice and stiff. You should have a nice brick of potato like this. Okay, now just trim them to whatever size you want. Remember also, these are tater thoughts, so you wanna make them a little thicker. There we go, a potato and duck fat. Freaking awesome. Okay, so now just toss these into the freezer, let them stiffen up a bit before you even think about frying them, because then they'll fall apart. Tiny pot, tiny potatoes, tiny pots, get it? Pun intended. I'm gonna fry these off in oil at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is rice oil, by the way. Also, do not overfill your pot with oil. It could overflow, it could be very dangerous, so just fill it halfway. Pull them out once they're GBD, just like this. Into a bowl. Salt to taste. Golden brown and delicious. Ramp green goddess from the last video. Really freaking good.